big question. Why does captioning matter?
Yeah, so captioning matters mainly. It's all about trust, really, for us. So it's trust for our organization. So for the captioning, we need to have we need good captions to meet accessibility requirements, essentially, for our organizational customers. So that's complying with certain legislation. In America, it's Section 508. In the EU, it's the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which is also called WCAG. So they matter for our organizations in terms of accessibility. For our instructors and our learners.
What does good mean here? What does good actually mean here? As in terms of
there's a 99% accuracy rating that needs to be associated with those compliance legislations. So that's what good means for accessibility. But there's also, it has to be closed captions, not just subtitling, which is slightly different. And the terminology is often confused when you're talking about accessibility there. Closed captions are including environmental cues. So actually 80% of people, I think we said this in when we were doing the marketing for this, but they watch all of their TV shows and everything, with captions on. And that's traditionally, it's actually closed captions they're watching. So everyone will be familiar with on Netflix or on Disney Plus, when there's an explosion in the background or a plane flying overhead or some sort of action sequence, they'll see the brackets of the environmental cues. So that's the piece as well that is absolutely essential, because it means that people who are actually trying to learn, we want to make sure that they're having the same learning experience as everyone else, and the instructor's delivery, and how, if they're laughing, if there's some music playing in the background, that's all part of it. So it's important that that's included,
which is interesting as well, because obviously music and laughter are sort of the old foes, the old enemies of speech to text.
Yes.
Trying to transcribe words in some manner, and it doesn't always work.